Hello student and welcome you all. So today in this video I am going to explain how these cams and follower make the mechanism, and also we are going to learn what are the different types of cams and followers. So basically where this is an cam, so it will be attached with a cam shaft here, and so this is a power sources where you can see. So from there this cam, it will make the rotary motion, it will turn. Okay, and here this on the surface of the cam, on the profile of the cam, the follower it attached. Okay, so when the cam it will make the rotation, so here you can see the different shape. So based upon the profile of the cam, so this follower it will make the motion or it will make the reciprocating. Okay, so this follower can make the reciprocating, that can be measured in the dial gauge. Whatever the displacement of the follower can be measured with the dial gauge. Okay, so this will be the different types of followers also we have, and also different types of the cams also we are having in the syllabus. Okay, so this is on a cylindrical shape. Okay, the circular type of cams, and this is also again a circular type. You can see this is a circular type, but it is be in the eccentric form, because when it is in circular, so it cannot make the motion of the follower. So it is provided with some eccentric, because it is the hole is pivoted at the one end, so it is like in the form of eccentric. So when the follower makes, so based upon the profile, the profile of the cam, the follower will give the displacement. And the second one, it will be in the form of a pier shape. So this shape we call as a pier shape. Okay, so here we can have the maximum displacement. When it reaches the follower, it will give the maximum displacement. And also we are having the different types of followers also. So here we have this is the one type, where you can see at the end of the follower it will be like this. So at the end of the follower there are some rollers are provided here. Okay, so this is the we called as a roller follower. Okay, so again we are having flat edge. So at the end of the follower, so this will be fixed to this knob, and at the bottom surface we are having the flat. Okay, so we call it is as flat follower. Okay, so one we have seen the roller follower, this one, and the flat follower, and this one it will be in the form of spherical. So we call as a spherical follower, or a snap head or mushroom type. So we are having the based upon the shape of the follower, we will have the different types. Okay, based upon the shape we can have the different. And also we are having point follower, or also we can say knife edge follower. So a knife edge follower means at the end of the follower you will have the knife edge. Okay, so point type follower, so that will be having more application, and also with a low friction, and it will be support. And here you can see this follower, it can be supported by this bearing, so that it can give the guide for the follower. So here we can have some pressure with the help of some load you can apply here, that will be considered as a load on the follower. Okay, so and also this is an tachometer, so this will be used to measure the speed of the motor. Okay, and here the back side at the motor, you can see this is the angle of twist. So when the angle of the cam, so first you will have the 20 degree, there is some pointer here you can see. So this pointer it will make the angle of rotation, and this follower it will give the total displacement. Okay, so as you know, different types of follower motions also, like simple harmonic motion, uniform acceleration, and also cycloidal motion. So different types of follower displacement we can plot using this equipment. Okay guys, thank you for watching.